everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dino Kids. I hope all of you are doing great. As Diwali is around the corner, so today's video is on Diwali book, which will include maximum learning for kids about the festival. Before starting, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel for regular updates on our upcoming videos. So as you could see, this is the cover page of Diwali book created by Dino Kids. This is completely a DIY or handmade book. I tried to make this as much colorful as I can. So first we will start with the story behind Diwali celebration. The first page is about when Lord Rama and Goddess Sita was in forest. So while preparing this book, I try to engage Amish as much as I can. So as you could see, these leaves, these are done by Amish using the finger painting concept with a green watercolor. He dipped his finger and with the tap of the finger he created all these leaves. So this also enhance child's interest while you prepare something, some story or some colorful worksheet for them. Also, as you could see, I have used very short sentences here to enhance kids interest in reading. Also, these kind of short sentences can helpful for the child for their sight word somewhere. So after this, when Lord Rama went to catch Maricha, the golden deer, the 10-headed Ravana kidnapped Goddess Sita in his Pushpak Viman. So you can notice that I'm using some particular words here like Maricha, then Pushpak Viman. So in this kind of words really help the child to enhance or to build up their vocabulary regarding the festivals or regarding a particular story that we narrate to them, and they give a deep knowledge about the story or the festival. So I recommend that whenever you narrate the story, whether a big or small, always try to give them the actual wordings of the story. After this, when Lord Rama was sad about the kidnap of his wife, then one of his devotee, Hanuman, came to help Lord Rama. So here also I have written a sentence. As you could see, Hanuman came to help Lord Rama. At last, with the help of Hanuman and his all other friends and his brother Lakshmana, uh, Lord Rama defeated Ravana. So as you could see here, I'm trying to give more picturization and very less wording. So finally, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya along with Goddess Sita and his Rama's brother Lakshmana. So this is the story that why we celebrate Diwali. On the return of Lord Rama, everybody lighten the lamps and candles for them. The basic steps or basic information that a child should know about the Diwali festival. You can make this story with adding more picturization and giving a big story to a child of 2 years or 3 years is quite difficult. So keeping that in mind, I just included only the basic steps of the story, what actually happened. The next chapter of the book will include that what we basically do on Diwali. First is to clean our home with helping each other. So as you could see here, I tried to give a picturization where everybody is cleaning the home and child is helping the mother. So this type of picturization again helps the child to understand that what actually we do and how we do clean our house. After that, next one is that we decorate our home to make rangolis. We make rangoli as I written here. This is again a very short sentence, and as I earlier said that I try to make as colorful as it could be, so that child show some interest or child interestingly read this book again and again. So after this, the next what we do on Diwali is that we light diya or lamp and candles and we decorate our homes. Also, In this, we exchange gifts with each other, with our family or friends. After this, what we do next on Diwali is that we worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi for the well being of our house. So, this type of picturization I have given for this. And at last, what we do on Diwali is we enjoy fireworks. So, here again, I have given this picturization of two kids who enjoying their fireworks. So I love this book and he read this book daily. And you can laminate all this type of stuff as these are reusable. Every year you can add more picturization and make a larger book, or you can use it for your younger ones. Uh, Here I use the sheet protector to protect it for getting spoiled. So hope you got some idea on how to make a DIY handmade Diwali book for your child. If you have any suggestions or questions, then please share in the comment section below. And if you like the video, then please give a big thumbs up to it. Thanks for watching.